Back in December for Christmas, I saved up several gift cards and finally decided to get a new bumper for the Jeep. Here is the old bumper. I ordered the Rock Rampage bumper from Quadratec as they had it on sale. I wanted a bumper that would look nice, fit the factory fog lights, and be easy to install. There was a bit of a fiasco getting the bumper, but it finally arrived. It was well packaged and weighed around 60 pounds. I was worried about putting too much weight on my Jeep, but this weighs less than I do. I'm so glad some neighbor friends came by to help me install it. Chris and I weren't strong enough to unscrew some of the bolts. My Jeep looked really weird with no bumper in this in-between stage. So here's the new bumper finally installed. It looks great, I love it. Got the new fog lights in there too. They are the X-Sprite 4-inch JK from Amazon. The Jeep looks so much better. Eventually I plan to get D-rings in turquoise and a fairlead to go right here. For now, maybe a front plate would look nice. Jeep is really coming along and looking good. Love the Fear taillights. The raptor eyes. And we come back around. So here is a before picture and an after picture with the lights on. So much better, it fits the whole Fear theme. I'm definitely pleased.